Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by importing your model and getting one clean base layer down fast. Open 3D Paint, set perspective or orthographic so you can judge scale, then pick a moderate brush and 60–80% opacity. Lay in a neutral base color to cover topology evenly. This helps later blending. Once done, rotate the model to inspect hidden faces, make small adjustments, and save a first checkpoint so you can revert if a test paint goes wrong. Once the base is stable, build up midtones and highlights on separate layers so you can tweak intensity without repainting. Use stencils or projection to transfer real textures and sample colors with the picker to maintain consistency across seams. Paint small sections in isolation, using smoothing and normal preserving strokes to avoid visible artifacts. Make frequent 90 degrees and 45 degrees view checks, then reduce brush size for edge work. This maintains crisp details while preserving the underlying form. You finish by adding high-frequency details, scratches, dirt layers, decals, and then bake textures or export maps if your pipeline requires it. Make sure edges are clean, then export the model and texture maps in the format your renderer uses. If colors shift or seams show after export, immediately check UV alignment, reproject the source textures, and rebake normals. If paint looks blotchy, lower brush opacity and relayer subtle strokes. That one troubleshooting step, reproject and rebake, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.